In today's video, I'll show you how to use Chatgpt for your research. Chatgpt can be a great tool in speeding up the process of your research. Now, as always, using Chatgpt is much more effective if you break down into different parts. For example, if you break down the process of your research into multiple steps, you can get a much deeper answer and a better understanding as well. So in the case of research, you can break it down into getting an overview and then finding subtopics and angles, diving deep into each concept, comparing and contrasting, and lastly, you can summarize the entire concept as well. Starting off, to get an overview of whatever you're researching, give ChatGPT a prompt that lets it understand what you exactly need. So for example, if you add in a simple prompt like this, it is going to give you an overview of whatever you're trying to research on. Once you completely understand this overview, you can now dive into other subtopics. If you want to know the subtopics or different angles that you may need to research on, you can provide a second prompt which says list key areas I should cover in the topic that you're researching about. This way you can dive into each subtopic so that it is easier for you to understand each subtopic as well. Similarly, as I said, there are multiple subtopics or steps that you can take all the way from getting an overview to organizing your research. So all of the steps that you want, just give it a great prompt and you'll have your research ready. So that's all there is in using ChatGPT for research. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel if you guys are interested in more future videos just like this. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.